Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time, welcome. I'm Jaisha and this video is going to be a get ready with me. This is my first ever get ready with me. It is date night. I'm always excited for date night because honestly speaking, I just don't really get out much these days. So any chance I have to get dolled up and get cute and put on some clothes and makeup, I'm gonna take it. So I just thought I would take you guys along with me and show you my getting ready process. I'm gonna show you hair, makeup, outfit, all of that. I'm gonna put some curls in this wig so that we can get some body wave action going. I feel like it's always easiest to start with hair because, first off, let me turn on this flat iron. I always start with hair just because I feel like it's easy to let it set while you're doing your makeup and getting ready. So we're doing this wig tonight and I'm using my flat iron for these waves. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna curl it and then put it in a pin curl so that the curls can stay until I'm ready to go, you know? So yeah, once you do your curl, you let it stay. Get a little clip. Boom. Okay, so hair is curled. I'm gonna let it set. I just put my headband on so that it could be out of my way and it's gonna set while I do my makeup. I've already washed my skin. I hydrated with the steamer. So my skin is prepped for makeup. Alright y'all, makeup is done, nothing fancy, my usual go-to. The only thing is my lipstick. I don't know why, but I can't choose a lip color until I know exactly what I'm wearing. So we're gonna go find something to wear and then we'll come back and put on our lipstick.